He keeps on checking my feed. Does he miss me? No, not really. I'm just another story he'll read. Does he want me? Yeah, maybe briefly. He keeps on checking my feed. Does he miss me? No, not really. I'm just another story he'll read. Does he want me? Yeah, maybe briefly. I keep on posting and posting another new phase, just to see if you'll join in the chase. Said I look good, but it's all just a phase, lost in the static of digital space. I'm just like everyone else, I post for my mental health. I think we're a perfect match, but I ghost, I can't get attached. He keeps on checking my feed. Does he miss me? No, not really. I'm just another story he'll read. Does he want me? Yeah, maybe briefly. He keeps on checking